welcome back to another one of my videos. Thank you again for joining me. In today's video, we are going to be talking about peptides. Specifically, I was asked by Irene, I think her handle is Irene W620, if I have that right, and I will put up her question over here, her little blurb to me, comment. She wanted to know what peptides I use. Now, I don't use a lot, Irene, so just to let you know, I only have like 4 that I use and I alternate them. But I'm going to run down what I use and why I use it and everything like that. Now I have let me put this up on my screen here. I have a little blurb that I found online as to what peptides are and what they do, and again, they word it a lot better than I can and a lot more succinctly. You don't want me spending 5 minutes trying to explain what peptides are. So I'm going to put on my trusty glasses and I'm going to read this to you. And basically, they are an anti-aging skincare element that is in a lot of the skincare products nowadays. And they have found, it says, science has proven that peptides can help manage wrinkles in your skin and reverse the signs of aging. So how do peptides in skincare products make your skin look younger? Many skincare products contain them, so just what are peptides? It says that human skin is comprised mostly of collagen. Collagen provides a foundation and thickness for skin, blah, blah, blah. When collagen breaks down, short segments of amino acids are formed. These are the tiny proteins and active molecules known as peptides. Peptides in skincare can provide significant anti-aging benefits. When collagen is depleted by age and environmental factors, including sunlight, it is not fully replaced. So again, sunlight, as in, wear your sunscreen. As a result, smooth young skin slowly becomes thinner and wrinkled over time. As collagen deteriorates, it produces certain peptides. And these peptides send a message to your skin that it has lost collagen and needs to generate more. When skincare peptides are applied topically, your skin thinks, in quotation marks, that it's a collagen breakdown product and that your body needs to manufacture new collagen. So basically, peptides kind of on your skin topically dupe your body mechanism to encourage it to basically build collagen, because it's like, oh, I'm low on collagen. Peptides are kind of released to rebuild collagen. More peptides equal more collagen. So that's how that all works. So you can successfully minimize wrinkles and give your skin a more youthful appearance with the application of skincare peptides that trigger the production of collagen. It is therefore important to use a good peptide wrinkle cream. Okay, yay! So we're on the right track. We are applying our peptides topically because this is how we are going to basically trick our collagen production into producing more collagen under our skin and providing, more building blocks and therefore elasticity to your skin. Okay, so I've got 4 of these. I'm going to run through them pretty quickly. There's, I'll tell you how I feel about them and how successful they were on it. Okay, the first one is this serum. I don't know what is in it. It is by Your Skin. Your Skin sent me a whole package of skincare line, and this is a number 3 in their regimen of skincare. And these are peptides specifically customized and formulated for my skin. So in other words, I went through a questionnaire with yourskin.com or yourskincare.com and put in all of my behaviors for my skin. It was combo, and it was this, and it was that, what my age is, gender, age, am I pregnant, all of these things. I mean, seriously, it was like almost 30 questions on developing a personalized skincare for myself. And in that box was this little bottle of peptides. Now, I've used about this much, and I still have it. And the only reason I have that much is because I do rotate my peptides with the other ones that I'm about to show you. I love this one. This is marvelous. It has a little pipette, you see? And it's clear, and it's a little bit, kind of tacky. It's got viscosity there. But it's beautiful. It goes right in your skin. I use it at night. I think you can use it during the day if you want to, but I use it during the night, and I was told to make sure that my skin is moist. So I definitely want to cleanse my skin and have it prepped, and then while it's still holding that moisture in, put that peptide on. So that's number one. Number two is one of the two of the Argireline serums that I use. One's a cream actually, and one's a serum. This one is by ASTERWOOD Naturals, and it also contains hyaluronic acid, so it's a good little double whammy. There you go. Hopefully it'll come in. And I really love this this serum. It's beautiful. It's lightweight. Again, it comes in a little pipette, and it's more watery than the your skin, you know, one. It's definitely watery, but it also contains the hyaluronic acid, which definitely holds in the moisture. So you get two bangs for the buck. You get the hyaluronic acid and you get the peptides. So those two, the Argireline and the hyaluronic acid, work together to basically lock in the moisture on your skin. One locks in the moisture and the other goes to work on building your collagen. So love this one. Absolutely adore it. Now my other Argireline peptide cream, oh my gosh, I love this one. This one is expensive. In my pocketbook, it is expensive. It's about $32 to $34. You can find it at Sprouts or I believe, I'm not sure if Whole Foods, no, Whole Foods definitely does not carry Clinicals anymore. That's the name of the brand. It's called Clinicals. There you go. Hopefully you'll see that. And it's called the Skin by WEBB Coffee Cherry. Let me go ahead and take off my auto so that you guys can see this better. There you go. Okay. Clinicals Skin, I know it's blowing it out a little bit. Skin by WEBB Coffee Cherry Argireline Peptide. This is absolutely fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. It smells like this combination of vanilla and coffee beans. I can't describe it, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Let me put this light up a little bit for you guys. There you go. Sorry, I feel like I'm in the dark. It's getting dark outside is what it is, and I've been filming for a while, and I didn't go ahead and put my lights up a little higher to compensate for the fact that there's no sun coming through my window. So there, that's the explanation. This one has like a brownish color to it, and I'm barely at the end of it. I'll just put a little on my my finger here. Oop, there we go. There it looks like. It's kind of got, I don't know if it's coming through on the camera, but it's got like a little, like a brownish tint to it. It's definitely like a brown taupe tint to it. I know it looks a little lighter, but it's just a lovely, lovely cream. It's not too heavy and it's not too light, and it goes right into your skin, and it smells divine. It smells like one of those vanilla candles burning. You know, the kind you just want to get into the bubble bath and put the candle on and smell this wonderful scent. It's got a sweet vanilla scent to it. Sweet vanilla bean coffee scent to it. It is absolutely lovely. It takes me to a happy place. I'm serious. It really takes me to a happy place. You know, guys, I am all about the scent. And it's just wonderful on my skin. It says improves look of wrinkles and fine lines. It's got shea in it, Argireline, and cocoa. Okay, maybe it's the cocoa I'm smelling. Maybe it's not the coffee. It's probably cocoa. But it's just got this lovely scent to it. And again, this will put you back about $34.99 the last time I bought it. It could be even more expensive now, but I will definitely, once this ends, and it's about to end, it's really down here, I'm squeezing the last bit out, but once it ends, I will 100% go back, go to Sprouts, or if Sprouts or my local stores don't have it here, I will go online and I will make sure to order that, because I love it. I absolutely love it. And I've seen improvement. I mean, when I first started to use it, I saw improvement on my skin. It's just a beautiful, beautiful cream that I use. And sometimes I forgo the heavy creams at night, and this is like the last step that I put on, and then I go to bed, and just my face is just radiant. I love it. Okay, and the last one I have is by REALIX Labs, and it says skincare with science that works, advanced peptide serum. This I got at Marshall's. I have the sticker on it. It's $5.99, and it's got matrixyl peptide in it. Okay, and that's that. There you go. Matrixyl peptides in it. It's a pretty big bottle. It's 2 fluid ounces. It's the biggest bottle of all of the ones over here. And again, it's got the pipette, which I will show you. And this one is a creamy one. Look how creamy that is. That is very, very, very creamy. And I really like this one too. You're supposed to put 2 or 3 drops on to cleanse face. And then massage on cleansed and toned skin. So you put the toner on is what they're saying. It's not like your skin is toned as in elasticity. It's toned as in you put the toner on. English here. I am a grammar Nazi, just to let you know. And massage until absorbed. Follow with appropriate moisturizer. So this one, if I'm looking at it, I'm going to try to read you some of the ingredients. It has glycerin in it, water. It's got all the tetrapeptides and tripeptides and a bunch of peptides in here, of course. Sodium hyaluronate, propylene glycol, blah, blah, blah. Another glycol, lavandula, angustifolia. It's lavender oil. It's got lavender oil in it. Now, lavender oil doesn't do a hell of a lot to your skin. Not that I know of. In fact, you want to be careful. I mean, if you do have some breakouts or eczema or anything like that on your skin, be careful with lavender oil. Now, it is the last ingredient in this peptide. It's never done me wrong. I've not had an irritation from it, but then again, my skin is not that sensitive, so I can maybe tolerate a lot more. But if you do have sensitive skin, you know, test it on a small part, maybe on the inside of your arm a little bit for 24 hours. Put a tiny drop on there. That's what people say to do, or dermatologists say to do. If you have any you know, suspicions about some ingredients, to just put it on the inside of your arm and leave it there for 24 or 48 hours if you can. Don't wash it off if you can, and see if there's any irritation coming in on your skin here, because it is it's a very delicate area of your body, just like your face is. And obviously you don't want a rash breaking out on your face for everyone to see. So if it is going to break out, it'll break out over here, and it'll be less, you know, visible, obviously, and then you can see it and go, oh, you know, no, that's not the one for me. I'm not going to use it. So but again, I have not had any ill effects from it, so I really like it. It's got the matrixyl in it, which is a very powerful peptide. It is a huge around YouTube, you know, a lot of the mature YouTube community gals use it for you know, for their daily regimen. It's very, very popular, very strong, and apparently does a lot of good things in a short amount of time. I've been using it every now and then. I rotate between all of these peptides, so it's not like I use it every night, but I have been using it at least once or twice a week, and I find it really, really good. You know, hopefully I'll find it again at Marshall's. If not, I might just have to go up on the REALIX Labs and, you know, and order some. Unless REALIX Labs, if you're watching me and you want to send me some freebies and I'll talk more about you, that's cool with me. You know, hey, you know, I'm watching you. We got each other, okay? All right, anyway, that's it for now. I'm being silly. It's late at night, and yeah, I'm getting a little like, woo, you know, from doing all these videos for you guys. But I love you guys. Please give it a big fat thumbs up for liking this video. Please share it to your friends and family, as always, because the more people that are benefiting from these informative videos, the better off we all will be. And thank you again, Irene, for the comment and the question. And if you guys have any more questions, please leave them in the comments below. I read every single comment of your postings, every single one. So I always see it up there. I respond as best I can. If I don't have the information, I go get the information as best I can for you guys. If I don't know it, I'll say I don't know it. If another content creator has relevant information that you are looking for but you haven't found them yet, I will even post links in my replies back to you guys on certain videos and to go check them out because they're great, or these people know what they're talking about and everything. So I'm not going to steer you guys wrong. I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to make you guys the best that you can be as far as your skincare is concerned, as far as your health is concerned, and I am your advocate guinea pig. That is all I can say. I am the little lab rat. I told you it's late at night. I told you. I'm the lab rat that works for you guys, okay? So I love you guys very much. Keep well. Until next time. Bye.